the deal, baby? Today, we hit 1,000 subscribers. Dang, brother, that's insane. In honor of us hitting 1,000 subscribers, I have 2 videos lined up that I think are super cool, one of them being this video. This isn't gonna be like my normal review video where we just end up in the car and we just drive it and go. I'm gonna make a day out of this, dude. This is a day for us. Those of you that just came for the review, there's gonna be a timestamp somewhere down here. You can just skip ahead and watch the review, that's all good. For us boys that have been here since the beginning, dude, that have freaking just supported me for this whole time, which is insane. It's been 6 months. If you wanna have a day with me, you're more than welcome to have a day with me. I'm drinking coffee, which I never, ever, ever do, so I might be super freaking hyper, and this is like a really strong coffee apparently. We're gonna take this little electric scooter I got, gonna go get some bagels, come back here, and then we're gonna go pick up this Type R that I have in the thumbnail. And yes, you saw the title right, it has anti-lag. Let's get this day started, boys. I'm super excited, and thank you so much for 1,000, that's insane. All dented up. It's good thing this hat is old as hell. Do I look cool? Some of you guys might have noticed that there's pegs on the back of that thing. Dude, yes, I go 2 up on that thing. I go 2 up on it. Me and my buddy, we get on that thing and we cruise Carlsbad. In the comments, I'm probably gonna get a lot of questions about that thing. Just so we get it out of the way. It's running a basic street tune, 10 kilowatts. It's pretty sick. All right, I'm gonna eat this bagel and then we're gonna go pick up this Type R, boys. I'm so pumped. All right, I just got word that the Civic Type R is ready to be picked up by us. I will give you guys some pulls right when I get it. I'm super pumped, dude. Let's go.
Yeah, with the anti-lag, you kind of have to be a little careful because it's not a built engine.
Yeah.
So you can only hold it for like max 10 seconds. But I like doing it in second because it's more jarring.
Makes sense.
So I usually like put it like right at like 2 grand.
Okay.
And as long as cruise control isn't on, like it cruises, like it pops up, you sit there and you hit cancel and you just hold.
Yeah, so that definitely builds boost.
Yeah.
No, that's anti-lag, dude. Yeah, that's anti-lag. Dude, when you first did that, you must have been so hyped. Dude, that must have been insane. Have you always been into like cars?
So kinda. I used to have a Tacoma.
Okay.
And
big switch.
Big switch.
Yeah.
I kinda like one day watched one of TJ Hunt's videos, and that's what kinda just got me into it.
Okay, so in the Type R, super stoked. This is nice. This is really cool. This short shifter is insane right now. This is super short. I am gonna go to the mountain, boys, so I will see you when I get there. All right, boys. If you skipped ahead to this point, then you missed the first part, and that's fine. But we're in a Civic Type R today. It's got rolling anti-lag. That's the main thing, in my opinion. That's the main thing. Rolling anti-lag, it's got ethanol, it's running a downpipe, an intake, exhaust, short shifter, carbon pieces literally everywhere. You'll see, it's ridiculous. So let's roll the edit and then we'll hit rolling anti-lag. So to activate rolling anti-lag, we're gonna be in 3rd gear. Okay, 3rd gear, hold the cancel button and just floor it. Okay, dang, that's pretty insane. 3rd gear. This thing actually really freaking pulls. This thing pulls pretty dang good. It's got auto rev matching, so I'm sure you can hear that. I'm not rev matching that perfectly. There's no chance in hell. This thing makes 415 wheel horsepower and I think 420 wheel torque. It's a dyno tune. He's running Honda software, which is why he's able to have that rolling anti-lag. And it's anti-lag. It's real anti-lag. I don't know if you can hear it. I'll show you again. I'll show you again. Third gear, rolling anti-lag. Ready? That's anti-lag, dude. That's anti-lag. Third gear pull, we're at 45. Wow. This car has a lot of down low torque, which is pretty sick because that makes it really fun in the canyons. It does pull up top pretty well, as you guys can still hear there, but it's not as good as the mid-range. It still lacks a little bit up top, but it's still better than like a Fiesta ST or a Focus RS or a Focus ST in terms of like top end power. This thing pulls quite a bit harder. The owner of this car did not neglect the outside of the car or the inside of the car with all these mods he put on it. So everything is carbon in here. There's a lot of carbon pieces that he put in. There's a lot of Alcantara. Like this center console right here is now Alcantara. This is Alcantara, and the door panels are Alcantara, which usually came in like plastic, I think. The outside of this car is also pretty ridiculous. It's got a Vera wing. It's got Vera side skirts, Vera front lip. I think it's Vera, maybe it's something else. Either way, he's got a lot of carbon pieces on this car, and it looks really, really good, all blacked out. The HREs on this car that you guys can see, those are actually from Japan, and they came in all different colors because that is a wheel that HRE actually stopped making. And so he looked for them, he found them in Japan, they came in all different colors, went and got them powder coated, and now they're on the car. So they look really good. Shout out to him for going through all that just to get the right wheels, and they look great. Rolling anti-lag at third gear, 4,000 RPM. I don't know if you guys can hear that little intake. That thing's hilarious. All right, diving into some corners. Holy cow. Woo! This thing definitely goes into corners well. Okay. I entered a little bit too quick there, but I'm not gonna lie, this thing took it like a champ. Man. Wow, dude. Oh, wow. Okay, so let me tell you a little something right now. This car is obviously really good at handling, like, no surprise there, but also surprise there because I didn't know how it was actually going to feel, so I'm surprised. You guys might not be that surprised, but okay, I don't care. I'm surprised. This thing doesn't lose traction very easily through the corners. So these are front wheel drive, not all wheel drive. Like, I so badly wish they were, but that probably would have been overkill and they would have been super overpriced. Not that they already aren't, but this thing's got great mid-range. Oh my goodness. Whoa! Okay, dude. This thing will definitely go around a corner quicker than you would expect it to. I mean, honestly, it looks the part, so I'm not surprised, but it really does feel planted. I don't feel any sort of oversteer or understeer, really. It just feels like it goes, which... I'm totally cool with. Oh my god, that's a cop right there. I'm done. Alright. Hey boys, wish me luck. I'm out of here. There's a cop right behind me. I don't even know where he came from. That's okay. Let's close the valves. There we go. Now it's nice and quiet. The good thing is that I have a picture of my license and I don't actually have it on me. So hopefully this guy's not a complete dick. And I hope he just actually doesn't pull me over. That'd be fantastic. If he tries to come to the passenger side, I'm not gonna be able to open the window because the camera's on there. Oh, dang. Oh, I don't like the way he's looking at me. This sucks. Maybe I'm tripping, dude. I don't know, but I'm gonna take this left and see if he follows me. Oh yeah. All right, let's see if he follows me. Oh my gosh, he's not following me. Oh my gosh. The dude is a homie, dude. The guy's a homie. He just dipped out. Oh my gosh, dude. I thought it was over for me. Oh my gosh. Now I'm scared to go fast, but we're still gonna do it because I've got a channel to run, boys, and this is the 1,000 subscriber special, dude. I'm not letting you guys down like that. In honor of not getting pulled over, I think we deserve a little pull, which doesn't make any sense because that means I'm probably gonna get pulled over again, but let's get it, baby. With the whole like grinding in every gear kind of thing, I don't know why it's doing that. Like, my foot is all the way down on the clutch, I promise you, and I'm not shifting fast. I don't know. Wow, this thing's got some potential. Stock suspension, dude, this thing's mobbing. Okay, so honestly, this thing's got, like I said, stock suspension. I don't know if you need to change it. It honestly feels really good. The amount of give that it has is actually really nice. It gives you enough to like load up and like lock in. But when you switch sides and you start switching corners like quickly, that little amount of body roll that it has like feels good. Like it feels like it needs it to lock into place. Okay, gonna do a 0 to 60 here. I got you guys on the GoPro. I'm gonna try and aim my head like down so you can see the speed. And we'll see. Dude, that was a great launch. Am I wrong? Am I tripping, or was that a really good launch? Dude, I think that was a good launch. Am I in HRA? I guess I am, dude. Put me at that, brother. Hey, put me in any car, brother. I'll get the best launch times. Hey, drag times. I got you, boy. Don't worry about it. If you're buying one of these cars, you probably want to go fast to some degree. So getting in this car definitely makes you feel like you're about to go fast, which is cool. It comes with the nice bucket seats from Standard. It's got a nice wheel Standard. This is a little bit different, but the wheel that comes with is really nice, I promise. I've seen it before, it's great. All the little extra bits that he has in here, it just adds to that. It's just so much like usable power in this car. That's the thing, like this isn't an overbearing amount of power to me. This is 415 wheel horsepower, and this car honestly doesn't really feel like 415 wheel horsepower. Like I thought it was gonna be a little bit crazier, I'll be totally honest, but this is completely usable power. You've noticed the tires aren't really spinning at all, which is really cool, even in third gear with like 400 foot-pounds of torque. They're slipping a little bit, I guess, but not really. And even around corners so far, haven't really been slipping at all. Even like diving into corners, like going through them hard, no slipping. They're just really easy to go fast in. Like they're built to go fast, of course, but it's not hard to do, which kind of like, I don't know, I kind of wish it was a little bit harder, if that makes any sense. This thing, I feel like I can just do literally whatever I want in a corner and it will just get me through the corner, which is cool, but at the same time, I wish it took a little bit more effort. Like, I'll floor it, not spinning at all. I guess I'm just really surprised that it's so easy to do. I don't know why I'm so surprised. Maybe I'm tripping, dude. The boys are getting a little bit of GoPro footage. You know what it is. Never know where the cops are going to be, man. This is so sketchy. Wow. Yeah, man, this thing is easy to go fast in, like really easy to go fast. Let's try a second gear anti-lag, I guess. Why not, huh? Oh my gosh, dude. Oh, she likes going fast. Does really well under heavy braking. Man, this thing is locked up, dude. This thing is locked up. Oh my gosh, dude, put me in jail, bro. This thing is locked up already. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the point of view and everything about this video. This was pretty casual. I just figured that for 1,000 subscribers, I'd go have fun in a car that I thought was really cool, which was this Civic Type R. I love this car, it's really cool. I think it's a little bit too easy to drive. I don't know if that makes any sense or if anyone else feels that way, but I really feel like it's a little bit too easy to go fast in, which is cool, but I don't know, I like to work a little bit, you know? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you so freaking much for 1,000 subscribers. That's awesome. It's just cool that we got 1,000 people that just hang out and all like the same thing. I don't know, maybe I'm tripping, but I think that's really cool. So to all you guys that have been there since my first video, which if you haven't watched that, look at it because it's terrible. So we've come quite a long ways from that, so it's cool. First time I picked up a camera was like 6 months ago, ever. So I can't believe there's 1,000 of you that want to sit through this. So with all that being said, boys, I'm gonna catch you boys on the next one. Peace out. If you guys made it to this point in the video, wow, you are special. You waited to the very end, which is rare. I will reward you with this little nugget. I'm gonna be doing a ride along slash whole day with this 800 wheel horsepower Supra on Sunday. So stay tuned for that. Don't mention anything in the comments. Don't even let the people know. If you watched this long, keep that to yourself, all right? Anyways, to you boys who stayed till the very end, I will catch you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.